Yeah, good day, lovely people, beautiful investors. This is Peter Odiakose once again. I am so delighted to be bringing you this update. We are currently doing the unveiling or the launching of the housing project right here in Treasure Hilltop Estate in Alagbado. For those of you who have been following this project from day one when it started, now you can see all around us massive developments currently taking place. Units of apartments are being built, and that is why we all are gathered today to come and launch or rather unveil the project. And I want to quickly use this medium to appreciate our subscribers, especially those in the diaspora who have massively taken advantage of the opportunity that unveiled itself here. You will be hearing a whole lot today.
Except you have your daily codes. Every resident will be getting daily codes that they will be giving out to their visitors. Yes, exactly. That's what we are bringing in. That's number one. Number two, all the electrification is going to be underground. Connect. We have something similar in our estate at Ofada. Yes. Underground, you know, water supply underground, just connect your own, you know, and there's going to be adequate security. The middle income earners, the elites, you know, the high end, everybody, because it's a place you can build and live in. If you want to invest, you can buy the land there, build your house, and rent out. You get yearly returns. And is it somebody that asks, I want to plan for retirement?
More details about.
It's a good place to retire into because you are building what is called a serene environment, whereby the voice of any noise or any issue, all that to be clearly, you know, taken off. Yes, it's a good, you know, the company has, you know, we've been around for over a decade now, and we have been planning this over here. And our vision is to provide affordable homes for the people, for everybody, and that's what we are doing. We have the affordable homes project going on at Ofada, which is in progress. We started that project with 4 million naira for a 2-bedroom bungalow, and with 4 million naira, you could pay for 3 years without any interest, and also pay as convenient.
I think that's one of.
If you have 50,000 in a month, you can pay it. If you have 100,000, you can pay. If you have 1 million, pay as convenient for 3 years, 36 months. You can't beat that. And we allocate at 70% payment. So today we have done about 400 units, with 2 and 3 bedrooms, and we have over 70 residents that are living there. They are happy.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So this is also available.
Yes.
You can see the fencing is going on. Very beautiful. This will be painted soon.
For you to see the beauty of
Beauty, and also today, why we are here today is to unveil the housing project. We want to drive the market with the housing project, and unveiling that today, we are putting everything in place to make sure that in the next between 3-6 months, we want to build about 100 units here.
I'm ready to clap for that.
So that's the reason why we are here today, to tell the world that we are ready for them, and they should join us. Nothing to wait train. The train. That was how we told them 3 years ago at Mowe that we want to build affordable homes. But today we have done over 400 houses. Those that bought at 4 million naira, the same 2-bedroom is going for 6.5 today. You know, one thing is certain about property, to keep appreciating value. Everywhere in the world. No recession affects real estate. No lockdown doesn't affect. COVID-19 doesn't affect it. Loss of job, nothing. Real estate will keep appreciating. When there was a lockdown, did your landlord ask you to reduce your rent? So that's one thing about property, to keep appreciating in value. So you can even buy and sell tomorrow at higher prices. Now we are doing something, 6 million naira. With that 6 million naira is the best offer around, whereby in 2 years' time you can't be less than, you can't have it less than 15 million naira for a plot of land here.
So for
with
someone
what
else
is coming in.
For someone else to invest,
It's best time to invest now. Yes, this is the best time to invest. You can't miss it. You can't get it wrong with properties. When it comes to real estate, no.
For as many that will be watching on,
Yeah.
on Facebook, on all the social media, Agri is there for you to get to everything you want.
Anything about property,
Easy as
we are here to solve your property, your housing needs.
Thank you, sir.
That is why, as well as reason Agri is in existence.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
It's actually meant for everybody, both the low-income earners or the middle income earners or the elite. If you have money, as people know, I don't want to live in Alagbado, you can invest in Alagbado. As of today, we are selling here for 6 million naira. The going rate around here, the least that you can get is around between 10 and 15 million. So what we are doing is introductory price, promo price. We are actually coming in, with that price, just to move into the market in the next 12 months. You can't get it less than 12 million naira. That's 100%. So you can actually do business on that. Because one thing about property is that it appreciates in value everywhere in the world. Now, as a middle income earner, you can buy your house, you can buy a land, build your house there, and live in comfortable. Low income earners, you can also do that. And also some people, like they have the money, they can decide to say, oh, I want to build and rent out. This is Lagos here. You can see development. You see houses people are living in. From this site to Ikeja, it is dry. And there are estates around that, that you can actually confirm all this from. So you can do business, you can live in here, you can retire here, you can plan yourself here, you can do so many things. Anything has to do with housing. And one thing the COVID-19 has taught us is the act of savings, the act of investing into the future. Because so many things failed, but property business did not fail. Last year, none of our landlords told us to reduce our rent. In fact, they added, some of them added money. So no recession or economic downturn or lockdown or stay at home has ever affected property business. So the business is there, and then you can actually prepare for your future and save into that future with Treasure Utah. Alagbado is a good place to invest. What we do in all our estates, we follow our core values, which we have been doing in the last one decade that we have started. And in all the 13 estates, we have development. We don't just launch estates, we develop estates. Development is key. Because when you develop the site, the value of the estate will appreciate. It will go instantly. I actually learned that from, let me use a good example. In Ilupeju estate, the normal Ilupeju, in Ilupeju estate, you could get a plot of land for 75 million. While the other Ilupeju, you could get a plot of land for 25 million. What's the difference? They are just the same community, but it's what development here. Here you have good road network, access road, you have electricity, you have basic infrastructures and amenities available. So all that are there. So we are working on that here as well. In fact, like I told you earlier, this estate has got everything that has to do with property business. Is there anything you are thinking about property business? This Treasure Utah has got everything. Good road network to the side. The last governor tarred about 22 roads around this area. All the roads are tarred. You drive on tarred roads. The estate has got a sea of O. So there is no issue of title documents. No Manila issue here. The other one is off, completely off. And you have development going on. You can buy and get access immediately. As a company, we are building. That shows that clients buying, they also will be able to build. That's the idea. As a company, we are building. You have bought land, it's just for you to come and take your own portion and start building without any issue. We came in here November last year, and everything you are seeing here started January. So between January and February, just 2 months, we have been able to do all what you are seeing. Now we are here today to launch, to unveil the housing project. That's why we are here. In the next 12 months, we want to do about 100 units. And that's why we are here today, to let the world know what is going on and what is coming up. You know, we have been able to achieve this in Treasure Island Estate at Mowe of Fada. Within 3 years, we have built about 500 units of 2 and 3 bedroom bungalows. And same, we are going to actually transfer that there now. And we are daily increasing capacity. You know, as a company, we always change the narrative. Anywhere we get to, we change everything around there. You know, we always bring in that touch, you know, that spice up this place. That's actually opened up, you know, we have opened up the area. And that's what we do. Get to Mowe, get to Agbara Igbesa, get to Lekki, Awoyaya, get to Bluestone, so many like that. You know, we also have, I will talk on other items. So, anything that has to do with property business, this site has got, you know, and you can see it's pure dry land. If it rains here for 10 days, there can be flood here. And all, you know, the land is upland and dry. So there's nothing to fear, nothing to worry. I want to encourage everybody here to see the future now and invest today. See the future now and do what? Invest today. One of our clients told us about Magodo GRA. 1988, when she joined, Magodo GRA was going for 15,000, and they were told that they will be deducting 50 naira from their salary. And she said, no, that bush, I'm not interested in it. How much do today? 1,000 square meters of that. So that's that. So as a company, we have 13 estates. We have a Treasure Island Estate, Mowe of Fada, where you can buy and build and live in there. We have built houses. We have Treasure Phase 2 that is selling, is very hot now. You know, as a company, we, like I said, the vision is to provide affordable loans for the people. Now we have land going for as low as 850 per plot, and you have 20 months to pay for that. With initial deposit of 50,000 naira, and spread the balance as convenient. 20,000 naira in a month, you can pay. If you have 10,000, you can pay. If you have 50,000, you can pay. If you have 100, so you sit down in the comfort of your home to plan yourself how to own a plot of land. Just behind the international breweries, there we have land, and we have that's available, most affordable document. We also have Bluestone Treasure. That is beautiful. We have built 3 bedroom bungalows. We have over 25 units. We started that project April last year, just during the lockdown. And as of today, we have completed about 25 units of the 3 bedroom bungalows. Successfully finished with Gerard roof and everything. Beautiful. And we also, our first estate is at Agbara Igbesa. In Agbara Igbesa today, we have allocated over 1,200 plots. Physically allocated to subscribers. That's what we do. We don't have, with CFO, process. We don't have any client that we are owing land or any housing project. You know, last year, despite all the challenges, the EndSARS problem, the cement problem, the lockdown, we were in business. Integrity is key. That's our word. You know, we follow that, and we try to, and that's why nobody has ever come to our office with any police or with any court cases or anything. You know. So that's all with that, and we just have to continue. So this estate is available. You can see the landmass. We are using this opportunity to invite cooperatives, societies, unions, members of, you know, you have your group, some churches, schools, buy for your staff.